All right, man, we're just gonna jump right into the video. This is a beginner's guide to getting 360 waves. This is everything that I was doing when I was first getting waves. So let's get to it. All right, when I was starting off, wolfing plus using this lift cone and a good hard brush was the easiest way for me to get my connections better. And I was just wolfing, keeping my hair thick, and just using this comb to help me with my connections, and using a good firm medium or hard brush when I was trying to get my waves connected and in there deep. Y'all see my connections on the first picture, then look at the last picture. You could tell that using this comb and this hard brush really did help me change my waves and got my connections better. Y'all can see my waves was smaller in the first pic and they got wider in the second picture. All right, and in this picture, if you're struggling with your weak side, just do a heavy wolf to get that side right. Feel me? If you're a beginner, you want to do like a 4-week wolf, then a 6-week wolf. Doing that as a beginner waver really helped me train my waves to lay down and to connect easy. You know, doing the 6-week wolf really added depth to my waves. You know, some of y'all be saying that your waves, like, you can't see your progress. You know, I be wolfing and hard brushing to see my progress. So you have to wolf, hard brush, and always, you know, remember to put your do-rag on. All right, this right here is when you're first starting out, you know, new to the wave game. You know, when I first started out, my first cut was a 1 guard with the grain, because I'm a coarse hair waver. You know, my hair is coarse. You know, it's gonna take me a lot longer for my hair to get to its curl length, for my hair to start waving up. That's why I cut low, so I can start brushing to get my pattern in there quick. All right, if you're a medium hair waver, you want to cut down to like a 1.5. If you're a straight hair waver, you want to cut down to a 2 guard with the grain. You don't want to cut too low when you're a beginner's waver, because you might lose some progress. All right, don't get a cut until after your first 4 weeks. Only get shape ups. All right, after your first 4 weeks, if you're a coarser waver, you want to cut down to a 1 or a 1.5. If you're a medium hair waver, you want to cut down to a 1.5. If you're a straight hair waver, you want to cut down to a 2. All right.